morning. Good morning to all of you of class 10th student. I am going to start biology, and what we have studied in previous class, the next step we are going to study about the nutrition. Before we go, I would like to suggest you once again, stay home, stay safe, and take precaution measures. Wash your hands, make social distancing, and whenever if you go out of your house, then you must use the face mask, because virus, it is an artificial virus, and it spreads through our any portion of the bodies. Whenever if it is vacant or free, then it will enter in our body, and it is very dangerous. So be aware and be safe. Now let's we have a look what is nutrition. Before we go deep into the description of nutrition, we will have to understand some basic concept about it. Human beings are the consumers. It means we are not producers. We consume whatever the plants produce. So the plants are producers. As we know how plant produce, from photosynthesis phenomena, plants produce their food, and so that the food is an organic substance, and this the simplest food is glucose. What is it? Glucose. And then after, glucose is also simple way that we can say that sugar. And if you go one step more than that of the glucose, that will be the complex food, and it is a starch. A starch is made from glucose. The general name of glucose is sugar, and the starch is called carbohydrates. Starch is called carbohydrates. So that the carbohydrates are the most common foods for getting energy. Fats and proteins are also food, but for the generally we say the process in which we inhale food and utilize it is called nutrition. But before we go, we will have to say what is food. Food is an organic substance food is an organic substance. It is a kind of food fuel which provides energy to all living organisms. All types of energy, you can say, are obtained by the plants or get from food. So now let's we have the simple food is glucose. one step more. The complex code is starch. That is carbohydrates. Now, another important energy supplier are protein, fats, minerals, and water. On this behalf, the process of taking in food, the process of taking in food and utilizing it for the energy purposes is known as nutrition. Nutrition, it is a word which is taken from the nutrient. Nutrition word is derived from nutrient. Here one point is nutrient. Nutrient is an organic or inorganic substances required for the energy. Nutrient is an organic or inorganic substance which provides energy. As I hope you all will have written it, do it fast. A nutrient is an organic or inorganic substance required for the nutrition. By animals or plants. Point nutrient is an organic, inorganic substance which an organism obtains from surroundings. And use it as a source of energy source of energy the main nutrients are carbohydrate and fats. Carbohydrate and fats. Now we have to describe modes of nutrition. Earlier I had already discussed that we have plants. We are not, it means the animals are not the producer. It means plants, only the plants are the producers, and plants produce by photosynthesis phenomena and gives us in the form of glucose, and then after the next complex one is starch, and then after we use in different forms of carbohydrates and fats in our day-to-day life. All types of living organisms, some is directly or some is indirectly. so that the mode of nutrition is of two types. Mode of nutrition is of two types. One is autotrophic nutrition, and second one is heterotrophic nutrition. ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन, ऑटो इट मीन्स स्वतः, अपने आप, वैसे पोषण की प्रक्रिया जिसमें ऑब्जेक्ट अपना पोषण मेरा मतलब लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स अपना पोषण खुद करता है, उसको हम लोग स्वपोषण कहते हैं हिंदी में। और हेट्रोट्रॉफिक जस्ट जो दूसरे पर आश्रित रहता है उसको परपोषण या क्या कहते हैं, हेट्रोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं। तो लेट्स वी हैव अ लुक ऑन डेफिनेशंस एंड कंसर्निंग पॉइंट्स ऑफ टॉपिक ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन। You all are understanding, yeah, you all think that we all have understood it and we'll have studied in so many previous classes, but in class 10th this is the topic and we have to study step by step in a very regular mode. Now let's see another definition, autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which living organisms as plants prepare their own food autotrophic nutrition. Now more descriptions will be given in the next class, and I hope you all are sincere students, and I request you all guys, you always stay at home and don't go out of your house. Maintain social distancing whenever if you go out of the house, because beta our life is very precious and only we are fighting just like the invisible enemy, so that this is our first and previous this is our first to protect ourselves from this type of individual enemy. Thank you and have a nice day.